So it's 70 millimeters or 7 centimeters. So from the middle of the screw it has 48 millimeters. 48. The exterior door, because it fits here, and I remove the ornaments. The interior ornament and the exterior ornament are metal ornaments. It will not work with this one, it's too bad. So I'm trying to reuse this ornament, the old one, and to fit it in the same position to see if I can put nicely and discreet and not to be visible. And now guys, so I reverse these ornaments. I think it looks nice. So now guys, look how good it looks, and it works also without a problem. This is just for testing. I will not leave it. I will put back, because this ornament also is for safety. This interior ornament has access to the screws. It is not good. It's not good to left it like this. I will see if I will take some ornaments, special ornaments for the exterior and the interior. I will leave it. I will mount them correctly, but I want to see if it works. So let's see. Now if I turn the handle, it doesn't work. So from the application, and we can unlocked, you see, and now we can use to open up or close the door.